In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add media to your Kapwing timeline, a valuable skill for anyone looking to create eye-catching videos with ease. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you have a smooth experience and can achieve the best results for your project. First, open up your Kapwing project. If you're new to Kapwing, don't worry. It's a straightforward platform and you'll find navigating through it a breeze. Once you're in your project, look towards the left side of your screen. You'll notice a tab labeled Media. This is your gateway to adding all the wonderful content you'll be working with. Click on it, and this will open up the media panel, providing you with various options to bring in your desired content into the project. Now, the next part is about getting your media onto the Kapwing platform. You have a variety of media options you can choose from, whether they're videos, images, or audio files. To upload your media, click on the Upload button. This action will open a dialog box on your screen, allowing you to select the files you want to bring in from your computer or device. A little tip here: ensure that the files you choose are in supported formats, which generally include JPEG, PNG, MP4, and MP3, amongst others. This will save you from unnecessary interruptions later on. Once you've selected your media, give it a moment to upload. The time it takes can vary depending on the file size, so be patient. When the upload is complete, your media will appear in the media panel. From here, you can drag them onto the timeline below. This action will determine the sequence in which your media will appear in your video. If you're including multiple pieces of content, think about the story or message you want to convey and arrange them accordingly for the best narrative flow. As the last step, don't forget to save your progress. Kapwing offers an auto-save feature, but it's a good habit to manually save your project from time to time to ensure no work is lost, especially after significant changes. After all, preserving the creative effort you've put into your project is as important as creating it. And there you have it. You've successfully added media to your Kapwing timeline. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating engaging, dynamic videos that captivate your audience. Practice these steps a couple of times, and soon you'll be flying through your projects with confidence and ease. Thank you for watching, and happy editing with Kapwing.